Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to automatically save screenshot on your iOS 26. So when I'm take screenshot, need to save. If you want to don't save this, not save automatically. So I'm provide how can easily set up automatically save option. So simply open your settings, scroll down, press on general option, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. Go back, go to general section, showing it to screen capture. Okay, as you can see now it's turn on. Make sure to turn off this. When I'm turn off, and I'm usually take screenshot using my volume up button and power button. Now take screenshot. No need to save. Okay, and now it's save automatically. Okay, now I'm check in. So look here, now successfully save this screenshot automatically. So that's it.